Welcome back to Tide and Loam. I am your instructor Hassaan, and in this video we are going to study another important component of the cell, which is called endoplasmic reticulum. So before we dive into the topic of endoplasmic reticulum, what we will generally call it. It is cell's highway. ये cell का highway है, and then we will call it its cell's detoxification and purification department. Now look at this figure. This is a figure of a city. और जिस तरह city में roads होते हैं which are used for transportation and movement from one place to another, इसी तरह cell के अंदर endoplasmic reticulum है which is used as a highway, which is used as a road, और cell के अंदर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह materials को transfer किया जाता है RER की मदद से, endoplasmic reticulum की मदद से. The second thing is, as in city there is a detoxification and purification department जिसका काम है waste को dispose करना. इसी तरह सेल के अंदर जो harmful materials हैं, जो waste materials हैं, उनको dispose करना, this function is performed by endoplasmic reticulum. That is why it is called detoxification and purification department. So basically these are two functions endoplasmic reticulum serves as. Now let's study its composition, structure and function in detail. First of all, we have endoplasmic reticulum. What does this name mean? Endo means inside, plasmic means cytoplasm. Inside cytoplasm, reticulum network. So reticulum means network. Endoplasmic reticulum means a network inside cytoplasm. So an endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane-bound channels present throughout the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. So the first thing, it is membrane-bound channel. These are a network of membrane-bound channels. So endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane-bound channels and it is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. It has two types. The first type is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. These are all channels and it is a whole network of these channels. And it is present throughout the cytoplasm. Now, smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes on its surface. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum को हम smooth इसलिए कहते हैं because इसके ऊपर कोई ribosomes नहीं होते, इसकी surface smooth होती है. And these are, which are spotless, smooth surfaces, these are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The other type is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is called rough endoplasmic reticulum due to its rough appearance because of ribosomes are attached on its surface. So rough endoplasmic reticulum को हम rough endoplasmic reticulum इसीलिए कहते हैं because of its rough appearance. इसकी surface पर ribosomes attached होते हैं जिसकी वजह से इसकी surface rough appear होती है, and that is why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. So basically smooth endoplasmic reticulum और rough endoplasmic reticulum में यही difference है कि smooth endoplasmic reticulum के साथ कोई ribosome attached नहीं होते और वो smooth होती है. On the other hand, it has ribosomes attached with it and its surface is rough. Shortly हम इसको लिखते हैं SER smooth endoplasmic reticulum and RER as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next we have function of endoplasmic reticulum. So हम RER और SER दोनों के functions को अलग अलग पढ़ेंगे. First we will study the function of SER. SER stands for smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER is involved in lipid metabolism. सबसे पहला function जो smooth endoplasmic reticulum perform करती है, that is it is involved in lipid metabolism. यानी कि lipids को एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज करना, सेल के अंदर lipids के जो metabolism हो रहा है, that is performed by SER. For example, sometimes जब हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है तो सेल के अंदर जो लिपिड्स मौजूद होते हैं उन लिपिड्स को ग्लूकोज में ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाता है. So that is a part of lipid metabolism and it is performed by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The second function is, which is actually the dominant function of endoplasmic reticulum, transport of materials from one part of cell to the other. So endoplasmic reticulum helps in transport of materials from one part of cell to the other. Another important function of SER is it detoxifies harmful chemicals that have entered the cell. हार्मफुल केमिकल, ऐसे केमिकल जो सेल के लिए हार्मफुल है, उनको डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करना. दिस फंक्शन इज आल्सो परफॉर्म्ड बाय SER, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. और मसल सेल्स में SER इज आल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. हमारी बॉडी में जो जो मसल्स हैं, उन मसल्स की कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में भी SER हेल्प करती है. ऑन दी अदर हैंड, नाउ वी हैव रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम and it serves function in protein synthesis. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम की सरफेस के ऊपर राइबोसोम्स अटैच होते हैं और RER फैसिलिटेट करती है राइबोसोम को प्रोटीन बनाने के लिए. So SCR is involved in lipid metabolism, transport of materials, detoxification of harmful chemicals and muscle contraction. On the other hand, RER serves function in protein synthesis. RER facilitates ribosomes to make proteins. And this concludes our lecture about endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you for watching.